7 at the thug anthem. A black rhino says so the thing set. No time at all, the thugs no take care.
Whoosh! Welcome to Steve Ball Vlogs. Today is not a vlog. Today I do an unboxing for something I purchased off of eBay, you see me? It can't take long for reach, but I believe I only have one bag of chattings, just so I get straight to it. Straight tonight, you see me? What I purchase is a monitor, LCD monitor. You know, instead of you look on the camera itself, you look on the monitor like. So say for instance you use a stabilizer, you want to look on it, so you see me? So without no further ado, no chattings, make we get tonight. Yeah. So this is the model of the DC 55 inches high definition clip-on LCD monitor, and it's a Viltrox. I don't know if you don't know, it's a Viltrox, isn't it? Right now, no chattings. This is a big moment. Yo, I swear, proud of myself, you know, every time I see this on eBay, I ever watch it, I'm have to buy this, isn't it? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do you mean? Instruction manuals? Dada, you know we don't need them here. So this look like the monitor itself. Look at so else we have in this. I want to see, you know. This look like a pouch to put it in. No, I tell you like the box stick. You have sponge, so we have sponge for hold it and sponge up on top for cushion it, isn't it? So we have this look like a HDMI cable but the smaller one. You know? This is a smaller HDMI cable. Put that one side. Now this is the one for connect from the camera to the monitor. And what else we have in here, so? We have the hot shoe, cold shoe, some people call it the same thing. You don't know that, no else. Seriously, I used to do that, you see me? So I can see what I go on for the big butt. 5 inches, you know 5 inches? Can't go on, don't ladies? Oh, so this is like a sunshade. You see me, I can power it up, this is the on button. On. Sign up. Right. So I will connect up to the camera and make you see what I go on, you know. I power it up. So we have the DC. This look like the menu button. Yeah, definitely the menu button. See me? USB. This is an HDMI port and thing. Well protected. So let's try this bad boy out. Alright, we have the camera right there. This is the camera one there is the Canon EOS SL1, isn't it? It use and show video there. So right now, we're going to use that stabilizer on this one. So use that stabilizer on make this myself, isn't it? Bought some items on eBay and I made it myself. So I call it stabilizer the bedding pro, you know? That's what you think. You know? Make it myself, so the camera right here. Obviously, and the monitor right. Two lines. So I connect up the one board.
Good. And cut. That's a wrap, baby.
So I'm guessing you're gonna put this right here.
Guys, are you kidding me?
Here it is.
Are you getting this? Look at this. Everything cut.
No, boy.
That's what happens when you work with couples. Oh my god.
I think the screen can extend more. Let's see. I think the screen can. I'm also gonna put the price that I paid. I'm gonna put a link for the price that I paid for the monitor in the description below. Okay. So I'm gonna attach a camera on this right here. Suppose I take you see that? Yeah, so basically the reason why I created the stabilizer here because I have some movie I do, you see me? As in my movie them overall, you see, I fix myself. You see me? Monitor work, man. So if you liked this unboxing, subscribe and check out my main channel, Steve Ubadskit, you see it? As I said, I'm gonna drop a link in the description how much I paid for the monitor, you see it? So make sure you subscribe. I'm out.